Introducing the newly designed Mopec covered dissection tables, setting the industry standard with a Mopec exclusive lid assist feature. Included on all of our covered dissection tables, this hydraulic mechanism allows users to easily adjust the hinged covers with minimal effort. This prevents user shin injury caused by cover collisions. Other standard features include a PVC valve that runs from a drain hole to an optional bucket, limiting any mess and making cleaning more efficient. Post sockets for optional accessories and a recessed top that eliminates the need for a body tray also come standard on all models. As an additional feature, ventilation is available for added student safety. The downdraft ventilation system will provide constant airflow, removing formalin vapors away from the user. All downdraft models include 4 removable perforated grid plates for easy removal and cleaning. For added customization, hand crank elevation is available, as well as securely placed drawers to keep all supplies organized. For more information on Mopec covered dissection tables and other affordable workstations, please contact a Mopec representative.